Digital photography made simple.
Did you ever wonder when to use your flash? The answer is always. Always keep your camera set to flash on, regardless of what mode or setting you have it set for. But here's the trick. The trick is you want to diffuse the flash. This will allow your pictures to have a little more three-dimensional feel without the flash looking overpowering to your image. Let me show you what I mean. What you really need is a piece of diffusion, like wax paper. Thanks. Wax paper, like in your kitchen. Butcher paper, napkins, paper towels. All you need is a little bit to cover the piece of flash right here at the end of your camera, or depending upon how big your flash is, and a little piece of tape, and you're in. Let me show you what I mean in detail. Basically, a piece of wax paper, diffusion, butcher paper, whatever you feel that the flash can actually see through. You want to literally tape it right over the top of the flash here. And that's basically all it is, to be a little bit more creative with your digital photography. Now let me show you some before and afters using this new technique. Now you know when to use your flash, but now you know how to make your pictures look better. If you want to learn more techniques like this, then tune in to our next episode.